next fix on the project. So probably gonna just clean this up a little bit more and just put some Bondo or whatever, treat it, and then put something on top all the way up here. And this we're gonna cut out, make a new piece, and then stop right here and treat and cover all this. Then my gasket could go on and I should be Gucci. All right, so I'll cut my, and gonna make a new piece. All right, I'm gonna have to probably cut this up a little more. Bring it down. All right, marked where I need my bend. All right, where's my hammer? Oh, and of course I can't find my hammer now. Oh, there goes the hammer. Not bad. So just gonna tack it in place, do a little bit more bending, but oh, and I gotta cut this out so the trunk could close. I'll get that done, but not mad at the fitment. So there's a bottom piece over here. Oh, little battle wounds, but on the bottom here I was able to tack this little piece of metal here. That's gonna make the bottom lip. And then this will sit on top of that lip to make the whole piece. I tacked the top piece in, looking pretty good. And we have the bottom piece tacked in also. So now we'll be able to finish. So if you're wondering why I didn't just do this side, I'm just gonna treat it and put some Bondo paint filler, whatever, on these sides. These weren't that bad. Here was all the way gone, so. I should probably get a new gasket while I'm at it, but see if the trunk closes. Oops, nope. Nope, I have to fix that.